Hi tech enthusiasts. Luna here from Quantum Tech Lab. Today I'll guide you how to show notifications on the lock screen on your Android phone. Open the Settings app. This is the central control panel of your phone where you can manage everything from network connections and privacy settings to security features, apps, and system customization. It's the starting point for most Android adjustments. Next, scroll and see the notifications option. On some devices, it may appear as apps and notifications or a similar name. Tap on it to open the notification settings page. Now, find the lock screen or lock screen notifications option and open it. Here you'll see different choices depending on your device, such as showing all notifications, hiding sensitive content, or not showing notifications at all. To enable notifications on your lock screen, toggle the switch on or select the option that allows notifications to appear. You can also customize whether message content is visible for extra privacy. If you found this guide helpful, keep exploring your device and discovering new features. Stay curious, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next tech guide from Quantum Tech Lab.